Clear, push and start. Thank you, sir. Push and start. Runway 30. We're actually given runway 12. Runway 12. Hello, Carol. The tail may penetrate you. Oh boy. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so I'll do the same now. So we have LNAV, VNAV set. All right, Frungi is taking off. Yeah. Clear for takeoff. Light turbulence departure in 727. Oh yeah, look at that. 727 it just took off with immediate turn. We're gonna do the same. Engine sound. Okay. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Speed of engines. Nice. And toga. Let's go. Here we go, boys. Oh, I need to start the clock. This one. I didn't do a control check, a flag control check, but they will all work. Don't worry. It's gonna be still fast one. Rotate. Rotate. Get up. Start the turn. Here we go. Start the turn. You're still taking up behind me. Oh, nice. Yes, Wolfie, I know. Okay. So, yeah. We're gonna reduce the power now. Flaps coming up. Yeah, we're accelerating now. The autopilot is now flying, yes. This is the nice scenery that we're leaving. And now we're, as you can see, we're pitching down. We're already at 10,000. It's still a very light flight for a 777, but it's okay. And oh wait, there. We need a little more of this. A little more of this music. It's very nice. All right. Oh yes. See? Exactly. Got this beauty, Wolfie. What did you get? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. They're starting to ham. It's going to be Nork 2 Bravo. I'll write it. That one. Oh, hello, Sammy. Oh no, Cranky, what is it? What's happening, man? What's happening? Let me check them up. What's happening here? Oh, look at what a nice train. Wolfie, me, Frungi, Imagine, next. Oh, we miss you, Cranky. We miss you. And Freak. Someone needs to turn the anti-collision. Oh boy. Oops.
Present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna leave, I'm with it.
Very nice, very nice. Come on. 24 hour? Oh, Norbert. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. It's gonna be a solid stream, I think, but that's it. No more than that. Is it already solid? Oh yeah, is it already solid? 6 hours and a half. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the last leg. Although I would love to do a longer stream, but I can't. I can't today. So let me see. No time for holds. We'll make it just in time. I think so. Next, yes, I think so. Yes, this time is just in time. Yeah. And Wasgob is apparently going to bed. Well, then we shall wish Wasgob a fantastic night, a lovely, lovely one, and hoping that all the dreams might be golden, isn't it? Where are we? We're crossing the Alps, going to Amsterdam, baby. Oh yeah, nice. Lovely scenery, by the way. I don't know why Frungi is so low. Any reason? We're up all night to get lucky, baby. Yeah. Any reason, Frungi, you're so low? What is it? What is it, man? Tell me. Tell me. This is X-plane. I'll show you. X-Italy. I'll tell you if I can type, which is not easy. All right. That should be where you can get the scenery from, and it's all freeware, baby. Look at this, guys. This is all freeware. Oh, look at this. What's coming? Do you remember this, guys? Oh yes, one of the very early successes of Marlin and Gasmir. This is very good. Yes, man, I'm still astonished every time I look at the scenery. So good. Come on. Oh yeah. Not gonna get us, baby. Yeah, come on. Oh, you have a bit of cargo on, Frungin. Good, good.
Только скажи, дальше нас двое,
You like this song next? There you go.
Дальше дома ночь проводник, спрячь наши тени за облаками. Нас не найдут, нас не изменят, им не достать звезды руками. Небо уронит ночь на ладони, нас не догонят, нас не догонят. Небо уронит ночь на ладони, нас не догонят, нас не догонят.
Yeah. Scenery is good, isn't it? My God, man. Yeah. It leaves me speechless, really. Still, and it's all freeware. It's crazy. Isn't it, Hunter? He's low enough to hit the range. Hopefully not.
Мы убежим, все будет просто. Ночь упадет, небо уронит, и пустота на перекрестках, и пустота нас не догонит. Не говори, им непонятно, только без них, только не мимо, лучше никак, но не обратно, только не с ними, только не с ними, только не с ними.
Man, look at that. This is really the real thing, man. This is really what you see when I think during probably spring you land in Italy. That's what you see. The colors. That would be, yeah, between winter and spring, I think. Not summer. Summer is a lot yellowish. It's a lot more yellow. Nice. Yeah, isn't it, Ron? Yeah. You turn off packs for takeoff, forgot to book 3 passengers. Maybe. I think if you have the packs off, maybe they're very cold now. Maybe they're very cold. I don't know. What would be the packs off? Poveri. No, you lost your passengers, man. They're all dead. No. I guess some more tattoo after this. I don't know what happens when you leave the packs off. Will they? I don't know. Winter jackets. 6x9, not bad. Oh yeah, nice, nice. Come on.
Абсолютно всерьез. Ситуация help, ситуация сос. Я себя не пойму, ты откуда взялась? Почему она тебя повелась?
Oh, the coming one pressurized. It's true, yeah. Oh man, yeah, that's true. Oh fuck. Oops. They're all dead, man. The passengers are strangely calm. Yeah, I guess so. Oh boy.
Шла с ума. Раз, два, после 5. Мама, папа, прости. Я
Oh yes.
сошла с ума.
Very nice.
Я сошла с ума. Я сошла с ума. Она мне нужна, мне нужна она. Я сошла с ума. Я сошла с ума. Она мне нужна, мне нужна она. Сошла с ума. Мне нужна она. Я сошла с ума.
Nice. Hello, Pedro. Hello, my dearest. I'm very good, thank you. What about you, sir? I hope you're having a nice Saturday. What is it? Afternoon? Morning? I don't know. I always wonder. But yeah. My holding altitude is... my holding altitude? The cruising altitude is 330. Anyway, guys, I'm hoping you're having a... wherever you are, a lovely afternoon, morning, or night, or very middle of the night, like here. Almost 2 o'clock in the morning here. Very nicely flying towards Amsterdam. Sunday morning, yes. It's already Sunday morning, yes. Very late for you in the UK. Oh, Pedro, yeah, well, we have the same time. I'm in the same time zone of yours. So there you go. Almost 2 o'clock. It's quite late. Yeah. Come on. It's night time, yeah. Same time zone, guys. I'm in Ireland, so same time zone. Same time zone of yours. And still very good. And this is the perfect music for this time, I guess. Isn't it? Come on. Later afternoon for Nerd. Nerd is getting the martini, you know, the happy hour. That's what he's doing. Well, we're late night partying. There you go. Oh, I can't find the song. No. I cannot find the song. No. Oh, Carvo, you're going. Buonanotte, Carvo. Buonanotte, my dearest. Thank you so much, Carvo. And thank you so much. I shall see you tomorrow for the YOLO Awards, baby. Yeah? Nice. Buonanotte. Thanks again. Thank you so much. Frunci is closed now. That's very good. And let me see. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Carvo. Oh, yeah. Almost close for a YOLO meeting. Oh yes, oh yes.
Me tell a boy say that the girl say she mine.
Oh man, faulty card. Is that a faulty video card that we're talking about? Oh man. Nerd, nice. Sends up on John sits and dances. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on. Hello, Cruz. Hello, my dearest. All good, man. What about you? How you doing, sir? How you doing? Send it back to EVGA as faulty. I'm really angry with them. Oh, man. I'm sorry, LD. I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, baby. Come on.
Just don't care. I got muffin the boat, so you better be aware. Not on the south, everybody everywhere. Flex out, shock out, got the vibes in the ear. Bubble and a wine, got the gala draw near. Everybody sing out when the DJ say, wine your body, you wrinkle your belly.
Yeah.
And go down in the new
Wow.
Oh
yeah, all the time. I think for this we need also another dancer, guys. Synchro guys, maybe. Which will be the replaced by our IKEA advertising girl very soon. But for now, let them dance. This is the 777. Oh yeah. This is the 777, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go down for a sec. Do we have more coming up? I don't know. Let me go down for a sec here. Oh yes, we have. Oh boy, we have more. We have more dancey dancey. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, let me go down for a second here in the dick pit. Okay, to see how are we doing. Oh, open. Thank you. Hello. Oh boy, that's very loud. Are we doing okay here? Here we go. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All down, please. All down. There's more dancey dancey. Don't worry. More dancey dancey is coming up. But in the meantime, we need to go back in the dig pit and see how are we doing. Let's see. Down here. Okay. Down, down, down the ladders, the stairs. Ooh. Okay. All right. Let's see. 330. Frunge is in front of us. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Come on. Keep it going, baby. Keep it coming. Very nice. What do we know? What can we use for this? Let me see. Hello, Jack. Oh, hello, my dearest. This one. This one. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Livery is making you hungry. Yeah, I know. The king has come. You got to go, Drews. No worries, man. Thank you so much for being until now with us. Thank you so much. Oh, Jack, you're in a bad mood. No, come on. I'm gonna cue some nice songs for you. Wait. This one is for you. You know that. You know that already. Oh, broken heart. No. No. I'll give you some nice Japanese music to cheer up, okay? Yes. I'll give you some Monster. No, FS Cloud Crash. No. No. Okay, wow. Maybe a little more. 145. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this, yeah. So we have a bit of wind from the left. Okay, now. Land, alright. And I think we're gonna get the plane now. This is ours, our plane, and our throttles, please. Okay. Our throttles, our plane. Oh wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I lost it for a sec. That's okay. Okay, now we're getting. All right. Okay. All right. Up, up. Fuck off. We're a bit low, but that's okay. Here we go.
15, 14, 13, 20, 10.
Ah, no, that's too much.
10,
Ah, no, that's too much. Still comfortable. Ah, no, that was a float. No, the balloon, no. No, I pulled too much. Anyway. No, we pulled too much. Man, anyway. Stop, 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 stop. Get out, get out. Oh, hello, next. Drag the tail. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe. So, up. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello, everybody. Ah, stop, 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 stop. Here we are, coming in. Nice. It's gonna be very loud. Don't worry. It's gonna get very loud. Yeah, not too much. Ah, I pulled too much. Look at that. We didn't drag the tail, but we ballooned. Still a, I think still a soft one, yes. Oh no. Oh yeah. This is good. Yeah, it could have been better. Could have been better, actually. Could have been a lot better. But fuck it. It's okay. At this time in the night, I think is actually acceptable. Good night. Oh, nice. Good night, my dearest freak. Look at next. Stop, stop. Wow, next. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Ah, beautiful. That's nice, man. Ciao ciao, buonanotte, buonanotte freak, and buonanotte sniper. Can always be better. Oh yes, yes, exactly. The thing is, it was soft enough. I'm quite happy with it, to be honest. I'm actually quite happy. So wing one view, yes. Exactly. You're absolutely right, Ron. So the wing one view on this side, actually. This side, wing one view. And the terrain warnings are very nice. There. So you have the wing view. Sentry, thank you for the follow, man. Thank you so much. Alright, boys, let's see. Let's see this. All set for next time, nice. Oh, next, let me see. Flapagaton. Wow, next, that's such a beautiful line. Look at that pull. Come on, why did I pull so much? Because it's very late and I have a lot of vodka into me already. Look at the flappiness though on the wings. That's not too bad. Welcome to Amsterdam, baby. Oh yeah. Ah, come on. It wasn't the runway. It was centered. It was okay. It was okay. A bit ballooning. Never happened. Usually never happens in real life, but that's okay. Alright, so let's get back in the dick pit. Are we in time with the VA flight? Did we get points? I hope so. I hope so. We're gonna take a look later on. Oh wow, I have Imagine, hired. Oh, thank you guys, and Cranky. Nice, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Look at that. This is not Aerosoft, no. No. But I want, I'll probably buy it. Wow, Wolfie, wow. Beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful landing you did there. Wow. Okay, can we see Frungi maybe? This is the freeware of the org, but I think I'm gonna buy the Aerosoft one. Have more quiet playlist. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Let's see this. That is your own airport, Matti. There you go, yeah. This is 18 right. Oh, Frungi. There you go. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, well, kind of goes underground a bit, but that's FS Cloud. Oh, beautiful. Fantastic. Ah, beautiful. Very nice, Frungi. Perfect landing. Very nice. Clap, 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 clap. Wow. So that was the replay, I think, yes?